What if everything you thought you knew about buying a camera was wrong? What if the best camera isn't the most expensive one, or the one with the most megapixels? After testing every major release from Sony, Canon, Nikon, and Fujifilm, we found a winner for 2025 that redefines value and performance. And it's probably not the camera you're expecting. This isn't just a list, it's the truth about where camera technology is really headed. Number 1. Canon EOS R8. The Canon EOS R8 is a surprisingly capable compact full-frame mirrorless camera that has the features and image quality of Canon's EOS R6 II at a much lower price. The EOS R8 has a comfortable grip and twin dials, giving a good level of direct control. There aren't many buttons, so more committed users may want to move up to the EOS R6 II, rather than rely on the quick menu for changing settings. Autofocus is the R8's strong suit. Tracking and subject detection are simple to use and very effective. There's no AF joystick, so you'll have to use the touchscreen or select a subject and recompose. Battery life is very limited for an entry-level full-frame camera, though it can charge over USB, at least. Number 2. Nikon Z5. Your full-frame journey begins with the Z5. Simple yet sophisticated, compact yet powerful, the Z5 is built to grow with you. It's everything you'd expect from a full-frame mirrorless camera: intense detail, expansive views, brilliant low-light capabilities, 4K UHD video and more, plus all the innovative tools you need to push the limits of your creativity. 24.3 MP full-frame mirrorless camera, Nikon's most compact, lightweight full-frame interchangeable lens Z-series camera. Outstanding image quality, sharp, lifelike details, vibrant colors and great low-light performance. 4K/30p and 1080/60p video recording, crisp, smooth videos with shallow depth of field, USB power delivery, HDMI output. Eye detection autofocus, automatically locks onto the eyes of people, dogs and cats and tracks them as they move around the frame. Number 3. Nikon Zf. There are some exceptionally good cameras in the $2,000 to $2,500 price category, but few of them are as eye-catching as the Nikon Zf. While the styling is distinctly 1981, the performance is much more contemporary, with very competitive autofocus and the strong balance of stills and video capabilities that we've come to expect from a camera at this price. The Zf gives the choice of using the dedicated control dials or customizable command dials. In most respects it copies its well-polished control system from other recent Nikons. Not everyone will enjoy the angular early 80s handling, but it handles just as well as the cameras it resembles. The Zf's autofocus is impressive, with both subject recognition and AF tracking both working well. It's perhaps not quite as confidence-inspiring as the latest Sony cameras, but it's not far off. It'd be nice to have an AF joystick, but the rear control pad does a decent job. Number 4. Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is Nikon's third-generation full-frame enthusiast mirrorless camera, with a partially stacked 25 MP CMOS sensor. The Nikon Z6 III represents a significant step up for the Z6 series, and from the Zf, becoming a very capable camera for both stills and video. Its autofocus has caught up to the pack, and its sensor readout speeds, and, therefore, rolling shutter performance in video, are among the best in its category. The Z6 III has an ample grip and easy-to-use control scheme. Nikon's menus and touchscreen layout are also well refined, but the camera lacks the company's traditional AF mode button or front corner switch. TH. Number 5. Canon EOS R5 II. The grip is very well shaped and proportioned, and the controls are all well placed and comfortable to use for extended periods. Eye control for autofocus is excellent when it works, which isn't always. The EOS R5 II has excellent tracking and subject tracking autofocus performance. The subject detection is effective without getting in your way. It can shoot RAWs at up to an extremely rapid 30 fps. It has plenty of video options up to RAW 8K/60p, offering high levels of detail, though it can overheat when shooting in its most impressive modes. Its rolling shutter rates are generally quite good. Which of these brands are you leaning towards? Debate it in the comments. If this in-depth guide helped you see things more clearly, please like this video, it's the best way to support us. Share it with anyone thinking about a camera upgrade. And subscribe and hit the bell for more content that helps you capture your world perfectly. Now go make some great photos.